Hi, my name is Liam and I'm 6 years old, and this is my moto journey, and I drag along my sister and my parents. Like and subscribe.
Hey guys, Sunday morning, we're on our way to the track. We got in late last night from Arena Cross. Liam went first in his 50 Open or 50 Junior and second in his 50 Open. His first two motos, he crashed out, looped his bike out one time, and then I don't know what happened the second time. Cased a big double, I think.
Overjumped it.
Oh, he overjumped it, is what he did. But yeah, so we're on our way to Woodland for our Woodland series, and it should be a good day.
Babe, I thought it was hardly gonna rain today.
It's hardly raining.
Yeah.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
Oh, we're not bad. I don't know about this. Track good?
Well, it needed a little bit of rain, but not this much, so we'll see.
Are you excited to race today?
Yeah,
It's raining outside.
I don't care.
It's gonna be muddy.
Make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Oh no, we're guys down.
Wanna work bike with you? Go when you want.
I hope he didn't get hurt. After the 450s go, it's my turn, and 65 are on the track right now.
see your face. Dirty, dirty, dirty.
How my dad did the cold. I just look at
What are you doing? Why are you being
I need a paper towel quickly.
okay?
Ooh, I can't breathe like this. No, ooh, suffocating me slow. I'm sinking underneath your love, but I can't get enough of you. Ooh, I can't
up today. Mom and Dad are again putting away the stuff. They're putting away the tent. It's really windy today. It was a little bit of a rough day at first because the track was really rough. But right now we're gonna go get Liam's plaques.
Hey, Dad.
You're 11 and 14.
11 and 14.
And what's your bike number?
208.
And Liam? And then, could you get it first? Just a first. There you go, good job.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, buddy. Here, you want me to carry that? Nice job, buddy. Uh-oh. We'll go get that. Nice job, buddies. You did good today.
It's running away.